Good morning, children. How are you? Children, you must have memorized the names of birds. Today, we will learn to speak a few sentences about the birds. Okay, children, so let's start. This is a pigeon. Pigeon is a messenger bird. Pigeon likes to eat peanuts. This is a crow. Crow is an intelligent bird. Crow likes to eat chapati. This is a peacock. Peacock is the national bird. Peacock likes to eat grains. This is an ostrich. Ostrich is the biggest bird. Ostrich likes to eat grass. This is a parrot. Parrot is a talking bird. Parrot likes to eat chili. Children, you will watch this video again and again and learn these sentences. Okay, children, bye. Take care. Have a nice day.